गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट. दिस इज़ द द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. लास्ट हम ये ओलंपिक मूवमेंट चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसमें मैंने आपको ओलंपिक मूवमेंट के बारे में ऑलरेडी बता दिया. ओलंपिक, मॉडर्न ओलंपिक, एसेंट ओलंपिक, समर विंटर गेम्स, इन सब के बारे में बता दिया. आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. ये सारे अवार्ड कब मिलते थे, किसे मिलते थे, ये सारी चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे. द्रोणाचार्य award is an award presented by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India for excellence in sports coaching. The award was instituted in 1985. इसकी PDF भी मैंने वैसे आपको सेंड कर दी है. Objectives. द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड गिवन बाय कोचेस, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके. एलिजिबिलिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिव, देन अर्जुन अवार्ड. अर्जुन अवार्ड. द अर्जुन अवार्ड is given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India to recognize outstanding performance in sports and games. Instituted in 1961, the Arjun Award is only conferred in the following categories. An Arjun Award given by participant student, okay, sports person, Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cup, World Championship, discipline and cricket or any equipment recognizing international tournament. B. Indigenous game, sports for physically challenged. Objective. The objective of the awards is to recognize outstanding achievements of sports person in the field of sports at international level. Okay. राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. द राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड यानी RJKR अवार्ड. द वर्ड खेल रत्न लियर्टेड मीन स्पोर्ट्स गेम इन हिंदी. द अवार्ड is named after the late Rajiv Gandhi from Prime Minister of India. The award was instituted in the year 1991 to 1992 to organize the spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports by a sports person. Okay. And Chacha Nehru Sports Award. In order to make the school education an enjoyable experience and to integrate sports and games as part of school activity, the CBSE started Chacha Nehru Sports Scholarship in 2005. It has been felt that the talent in sports must be identified field at the school level and they must be nurtured and groomed by way of giving them monetary support. Selection procedure. Selection procedure. First, the student will be selected on the basis of their performance at the CBSE national level sports and games competition. Second, if a candidate is selected for the award in class 8th but has not qualified for admission to class 9th shall not be eligible for the award. And third, the candidate who has not qualified in class 9th is not eligible for the condition of the award for a second running year. Next, competition in various sports at national and international level. First, national level sports in India. India is a home to a thriving sports loving population that indulges in games and sports of all kinds, like polo, water sports, field events, athletes, chess, snooker, etc. A number of sports events take place in India every year, some of which are: first, इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग IPL. मेरे ख्याल से सभी बच्चों को IPL के बारे में तो नॉलेज होगा ही. सो IPL, it is one of the most popular sporting event in India. This league is normally held between March to May. Mumbai Indian emerged as champions of 2019 edition. Second, Pro Kabaddi. The popular 8 teams Kabaddi tournament was started in 2014. The tournament is held across 12 Indian cities. This league is normally held in November every year. Patna Pictures have been the most successful in this tournament so far. Third, Indian Super League ISL. ISL was introduced in 2013. This professional football league has managed to earn high popularity in this championship. 10 teams compete against each other. Fourth, Hockey India League HIL. Hockey has always been a popular sport in India, and the HIL has made the game more popular in our country. Premier Badminton League. It is also Indian Badminton League. The 8-team domestic competition was started in 2013. The tournament features some of the top ranked, including PV Sindhu, Sania Nehwal, Parupalli Kashyap, etc. The next, international sporting event. Single sports event. First, badminton. Championships. Badminton World Championships, annual event held by BWF. Second, Basketball World Cup. The FIBA Basketball World Cup is an international basketball competition for men's national teams of the members of International Basketball Federation. NBA finance National Basketball Association. Finals NBA यानी नेशनल बास्केटबॉल फाइनल्स आर हेल्ड इन जून एवरी ईयर. थर्ड, क्रिकेट ICC वर्ल्ड कप. इसके बारे में भी मोस्टली लोगों को नॉलेज है. एन इंटरनेशनल वन डे क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट contest by all test playing nations. World 2020 World Cup of the 20 over game. And fourth, handball World Championships. This is the World Championship for handball. Football FIFA World Cup held every 4 year. FA Cup यानी officially called as Football Association Challenge Cup. FA Football Association is an annual knockout football championship. Asian Cup. The Asian Cup is an international association football tournament run by the Asian Football Confederation. Sixth, Hockey World Cup. The Men's Hockey World Cup is an international field hockey championship organized by the International Hockey Federation. Okay, so all games clear.